Hey everybody, here's a look at my Greenstalk pot. I'll take you through all the different cubbies here. This one is dill. I grew these from seed in here. Got basil, more dill. That was a basil plant. Don't know why it died. My husband's favorite, cilantro. Haha. More basil from seed. And I've planted more seeds down here. They're not all up yet. Some of them are. But just to show you how the flowers are doing. Got petunias. Different kinds of petunias. And this is verbena. It's looking really pretty, all the flowers are. And the herbs are doing pretty well. And in case you're wondering how our corn is doing, there you go. So it's coming along nicely. We've had a early afternoon of rain, and then we saw these blue skies, and now the next storm is coming through. And if you live in New Mexico, you understand this. We love the rain because we don't get a whole lot of it. And of course, temperatures today are in the low 70s versus low 90s the last 2 days. So very thankful for the blessing and the gift of rain.